Hi guys, welcome to Links our YouTube channel. My name is Ram Mishra and I'm your online instructor. So what's in this video? In this video I will tell you rollbacks access control in Jenkins. So guys, let's begin the topic. But before start the lab session, we have to understand few points, which is what is Jenkins, RBAC and its use cases. RBAC means role-based access control, in which we can create the user and assign the customized permission on the basis of global user item roles and node roles. Suppose in your organization you want to create a new roles with a set of specified persons to access the Jenkins and assign roles to the individual users. Then the RBAC is designed to provide the kind of functionality. The role-based access authorization strategy plugin is used to add a new role-based mechanism to the manage users permission. So in this demo, I will demonstrate you how to manage users and role-based access in Jenkins. So let's begin the session. As you can see, this is my Jenkins login page. Let me log in with my credential first. So I log in with admin user account, and now you can see this is my Jenkins dashboard, and currently there is no project. Am I right? So this is totally fresh account. Now uh, start with the first step, which is create a two project for two different user account. By default, when you create a user in Jenkins, it can access almost everything. So if you don't follow role-based mechanism, any user can view any project of any user. So let me demonstrate you. First of all, I will create two user, name dev and test. So how I will do that? Click on the manage, then I will go to the user section and just make two user. So create Dev, let me get the Dev password, Dev, full name Dev, and the email ID dev@gmail.com. Similarly, I will create one more, test, 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 and test@gmail.com. Okay. So now you can see that I have two users successfully created, that is Dev and test. Come back on the dashboard. Now let's make two simple projects, one for Dev user and second for test user. So click on the item, go with the freestyle project, give the name, say Dev project, okay, freestyle project, okay, and this is for this just for the demonstration purpose, right? So let it be login. This is Dev project, and scroll down. Let me run a simple command, that is date command. Okay, now save. Similarly, let me make one more for test project. I'll go with test project, freestyle project, okay. This is for test project. Scroll down, run the simple command. Again, I'll say cal command, calendar. Okay. Now save, back on the dashboard. So here you can see that I have successfully created two field style project, dev project and test project. Now, if I try to log in one by one both user, both can view both project and build and delete and configure this project also. Let's check it, right? So let me log out first. Dev, dev, see, build, build. So now you can see dev user successfully built the project. Success 1 1. Similarly, let me check with test, test, test. Let me build again 1 1. So earlier that was only one success. Now if I reload, two successes are there, right? So come back again with admin. So you can see that both user can view and build the project. This has happened because this is the default environment in Jenkins. So let it be controlled from RBAC mechanism. So move to the next step, which is install RBAC mechanism first. For RBAC mechanism, we need to install role-based authorization strategy plugin first from the plugin option. So go back on the manage Jenkins, go back on the plugins, available plugin, search for role base. So here role base authorization strategy, we need to install it first. So click on install and let's click on the restart Jenkins. So let it be installed and restart Jenkins to take the full effect. Okay. So it's a small plugin, current installing. Let it be installed first. Let's reload the page. Still working. Okay. Hopefully installed. Let me log in with admin. Okay. Go back on the dashboard. So first of all, we will set role-based strategy under the global security option, right? So waiting, go to the manage, scroll down under the security. Let it be open. Okay. Now in the security, under the authorization, you can see that by default, it's logged in user can do anything. So let me change to the role-based strategy, right? So this option will appear after the installation of the plugin, which was role-based strategy, right? So save and quit, save, and let me log out and log in one more time with Dave and test user and check it again what happened. So I go with Dave. See, Dave is missing read permission. Same test over a read permission required. So log out and log in back with admin user account. So this is just because with the role based strategy. This option will just because of role based strategy, right? So move to the next step, which is configure RBAC mechanism. So log in with the admin first. I have already logged in, and now what my requirement is, I want to allow Dev user to manage only Dev project, and test user will manage only test based project. Currently, both can see both use projects. For that one, we need to configure and manage roles. Let's configure the role first. Click on the Manage Jenkins, scroll down, go to the Manage and Assign Role section. Now here, so from here we will manage and assign the roles to the user. In this Manage Roles section, here inside the Manage Roles section, we have three kind of roles. Global role, this one. Similarly, we have item roles, or sometimes it is known as project roles, or we have the agent role, right? So a global role, this is a use for such as admin, job creator, anonymous, allowing to set overall agent, job, run, view, SCM, agents, job, run, view, SCM. Say here's the SCM is there, SCM permissions on global basis, right? Then we have the project role or say item role. So this is allowing to set only job and run permission on the project basis. What type of project you have, it will allow. And agent role in the third one, if you go with the agent role, here's the agent role, and this is allowing to set node related permissions, right? So let's start with the global role, and let's make one common role with only read access permission. Okay, so I'm here role to add. I said COMMON common role. Okay, let it be add first, and allow read only permission from overall section, overall read. Let's apply. Now click on apply button. I have clicked that one. Now let's create two project based role, one for dev user and one for test user. So I'll scroll down. I'll go with the item roles or project role to be added. I said project for dev, and in the pattern, so pattern, I have to give the pattern is used to match the items, what kind of item you want to use, right? So pattern in my case, that is dev star, like this, hyphen dot star, and add it. Okay, and similarly for test, let me make for test also, test, and say test, let it be add. Okay, now give the permission. So I'll give the permission build, cancel, read, and workspace, read, cancel, and build. Okay, so choice up to you, and just click on the save, apply. So now you can see two project based role is ready with given pattern. Patterns are dev underscore hyphen, sorry, hyphen dot star, and test hyphen dot star, right? So this means if you set the field dev hyphen dot star, then the role will match all jobs which name start with dev hyphen. Similarly for the test hyphen. And start dot star means any combination after test hyphen, right? So save all configuration. I have saved successfully. Now move to the next step, which is assign the role. Once we have our desired role set up, we can assign user and groups to particular role using assign role section. So click on the assign role, and let me assign both user first into the global role, which is common role in our case, so that both user get read access, right? So I'll click on the add user. My user is Dave, and similarly add user, my user is test. So now add in the common role section. This is the admin, this is the common role, so I'll go with the Dave as well as test both. So I'll assign first Dave and test in the global role section. This is common role. Now part is item role. Now move to the item role and add the user that their corresponding roles. So add user, I'll click Dev. Dev for project Dev, right? And similarly test for test project, right? Now apply and save all configuration. All are done now. Let's me check one more time. This is Dev test Dev. Okay, I hope I have changed. Let me change the name from here. uh, project dev, let me change here, it could be okay, not a big deal, we can go with the test dev, it's all right. Otherwise we can do project hyphen test. Okay, not a big deal. Now go back on the dashboard, everything's set. So now all are done, and here you can see I create freestyle job dev project dev and dev project and test project, right? So now as per our setup, dev project job can see and build by dev user only, and test project job can view and build by test user only. So let's log in with user and check. Okay, let me go with dev. So here you can see dev can see only dev project, even he can build it also. Let me build. Earlier it is 2, now reload. See, it's 3. Similarly, let me come back with test. Test will view only test project. Yep, it is there. Let me build, let me reload. See, success rate is 3. So guys, you can see admin, let me log in with password. So you can see both user can manage their own project, right? So this is how we can use role-based access control in Jenkins using the role-based strategy plugin. So that's all about this demo. Finally, this is the end of this topic. Hopefully you enjoyed and learned new things. Soon I will come up with another new interesting topic. Till then, keep practicing. If you feel something I have missed or you wanted to know more something else, please reach out to me through my social media links, which is mentioned in the description. And if you like this video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for the latest update. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and goodbye.